Hey, it's TNG for Boots and Beats Line Dancing. Today I'd like to teach you a 32 count, 2-ball, absolute beginner line dance. It's called Flo Rida, and it goes to the song OMG by Flo Rida. And let's see, this is by Sierra Gill and Dustin Valcalda. And let's get started on that first set of 8 counts. We're going to start with our weight on our left foot, and we're going to start with our right. We're going to cross right over left, and then we're going to point the left foot. We're going to use that left foot and cross over the right, point the right foot. Then we're going to do a jazz box with a cross. So it's going to go cross, back, step, cross. Okay? That's cross, point, jazz box with a cross. Okay, let's do that to count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for that second set of 8 counts, we're going to do a series of sways, and then we're going to do a rocking chair. We just crossed over, left over right. We're going to step out with the right, and we're going to sway to the right, left, and then we're going to do a rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover on the left, back on the right, recover on the left. So it's rocking chair. Okay, so again, that was step out and sway, 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 rock forward, rock back. To count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now you know the first 2 sets of 8 counts. Let's put them together. Weights on the left. We're going to start with our right. 6, 7, 8. Cross and point, jazz box with the cross. Sway, 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 rocking chair. To count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's start that third set of 8 counts. We're going to do some toe struts, and then we're going to do 2 quarter turns over your left shoulder. So for the toe strut, you're going to put your right foot out, your heels up in the air, and then you're going to drop it. Then you're going to put your left foot out and drop the heel. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do a quarter turn. Step out with the right, turn your body, step out with the right, and turn your body. Okay? So together, that's toe strut right, toe strut left, quarter turn, quarter turn. And to count, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you've learned 3 sets of 8 counts. Let's go ahead and start at the top, and we'll memorize it. Starting on the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross and point, jazz box with the cross. Sway, 2, 3, 4, rocking chair. Now toe strut, 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, quarter turn. Let's do it again. We'll do the whole thing to count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Are you ready for that last set of 8 counts? So we just turned our quarter turn. Now we're going to step with the right, walk, heel with the left foot. Okay, so we started with the right, walk forward, walk, left heel. Now go backwards, starting with that left side. Back, 2, 3, and then your right foot's going to go back and point. Okay, so that's walk, heel, back, 2, 3, point. Backward and diagonal. To count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your weight's on your left, and you're ready to start over. Cross and point, cross and point. Let's put all 4 sets of 8 counts together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step and tap, cross and tap, jazz, box with the cross. Now sway, 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 rocking chair, and back. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, walk. Right, left heel, back, 2, 3, right point. Good job, you guys. There are some styling notes. When you're doing your toe struts, if you want, you can put your hips into it. And also, when you are doing your walks, there's a part where it says higher. You can bring your arms up and then bring it back down as you go backward. On the hip sways, everybody sways different, like I said, so just sway however is comfortable for you, however your body goes. Go with that. Okay, let's go ahead and start from the top again. I'm going to do it to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you go. There's Flo Rida. You're ready to take it to the dance floor. I hope to see you out there, and we really appreciate all those choreographers bringing us such fun dances to take to the dance floor. I'll see you next time.